Hello guys, this is another video from PET. I'm going to show you how to fit a shoulder strap on an E-Twow, on any model of E-Twow, but specifically on the GT 2020, which might be a little bit tricky. As you see, shoulder strap comes with the carry handle one attached, so it's on one part. You can take it apart and just use this one. But for those of you that need to know how to put the carry handle, here it is. I'm going to show you how, and then I'm going to carry on all the way up to fit the shoulder strap. So at first we need to take the carry handle bit. We undo the two velcros and we need to find which is the larger one. In this case is this one here. So we need to make sure we position like this. This bit needs to be that side, and this is going to be this side. And it's going to be all the same for the rest of the stem. I chose the GT 2020 because it might be a little bit tricky because it has this new attachment here, which can make it difficult to attach here because it's very tight. But there's not any issue on doing this. It's not gonna change anything, but it's gonna give you some space to work on this. So as I said, we find the larger strap, which is this one. And we are gonna go in here under the cables, between the cables and the pole, or we are gonna take it out through here. As you see, it's not grabbing any cable. And then we go over the top hole, hold it tight, and then going back through the other hole, which I cannot see. You need to make sure you give yourself a spare strap to do this bit, otherwise it's not gonna get in. Then you pull it as much as you can, nice and tight, and make sure it grabs the other side of the Velcro strap, so it's not gonna move from there. So this is the shoulder bit. We're gonna move to that in a second. Then we need to go all the way up after this bit here, which other models doesn't have it. That doesn't matter. Make sure it's not twisted. This needs to go that way, all the way. On the stem is gonna be the same. So we go under this, over this bit. We need to go on the top hole, as we did before. Make sure you give enough strap to go back through the other one. Grab the strap, pull it nice and tight, and make sure it grabs the other piece of the Velcro. So for those of you that just need the carry handle, that will be over. But we're gonna move now with the shoulder strap, which has two Velcro bits on the top. One is gonna go here and the other one needs to go here. Make sure you give some space in here. So put it at least on the lower level, on the, you know, the pin that is in here, at least on the lower level, so you have gap here to fit the Velcro strap. So let's go. We're going between the brake cable and the pole. We embrace it, and again, as we said before, we're going with the top hole. Make yourself some space on the strap to be able to pull through the other side. All right, and then we pull nice and tight. It doesn't matter that it's not on the top, we're gonna pull it now when we fit the last one. So this is going up. We're gonna unhook it from here. and then this bit needs to go, as I said, on this bit, the same way as we did before. Through the top hole, we pull it, and then we go back through the other hole, nice and tight. And make sure it grabs the other side of the Velcro. So there we go. So now we have, obviously we can here make it as tight as we want, or just enlarge it and hook it first. Don't do like me. And then you're ready to go.